How many medals did Pakistan win at Commonwealth Games 2022? Total 8, 2 gold, 3 silver and 3 bronze. Pakistan's star athlete Arshad Nadeem wins gold medal in Commonwealth Games with a record of dash meter throw 90.18 meter. Pakistan and Turkey signed preferential trade agreement aimed at boosting trade between the two countries on 12th of August 2022. Chief of Army Staff Qamar Javed Bajwa has recently made an official visit to the United Kingdom on 12th August 2022, who has recently become the first Pakistani woman to summit three peaks above 8,000 meter. Naila Kiani. Recently, mountaineer Naila Kiani has successfully scaled of which peak? Gesherbrum 1, who has been appointed as WAPDA chairman Lieutenant General Sajjad Ghani. Which country calls Pelosi destroyer of the international peace? North Korea. Which country and United Nations working intensely to end the Gaza violence by Israel? Egypt. New Langia virus hit which country as 35 people found infected? China. International Youth Day was observed on 12th of August 2022 with the theme of Intergenerational Solidarity, Creating a World for All Ages. Senior TTP leader Dash killed in Afghanistan, Umar Khalid Khurasani. Which country has won the maximum number of medals at Commonwealth Games 2022? Australia, 67 medals. Recently, Taliban-led Afghanistan government got de facto recognition from India. Afghanistan has lost 60% of journalists under Taliban as reported by RSF.